We're gonna go cut down some trees.
Hey, sir. Hi. You actually already or not? You say what?
What? Are you scared? Where are you going?
Not this, Clara.
Get up there. Don't lock. Be careful. Okay, we ready to go?
Yes.
Start your engines.
Where you driving? Go! Go!
Go.
I think her son's leading.
Okay, we're recording our drive. Jeb eating her instant noodle meal. Yum. Oh, here we go. What, Heather? Well, I'm going to my dad's house. We're going to test out this new saw. It's a good one. I'm going to cut down a couple trees. I hope you like the video. Hi, little froggy. There's a little lazy frog. Here we come to the hill, the grandpa's. Here we go. There's the trees over here.
Oh, right there, don't go that far then.
Yeah, just showing the trees. Filling her up. Alright, so I want to express my feelings on safety. Always wear safety glasses and hearing protection, and have a spotter at all times to watch you, just in case you do get a severe injury. They can run and call 911 or whatever. You always want to check out what you're cutting too, and make sure this is a real dead tree. The dangers that we have here in this tree are branches falling, possibly, or tops breaking off. But this is very small, and these branches aren't too harmful because they're not that large. So we're just going to cut her down. I'm going to lay her right here, and I'll show you what I'm doing.
Oh,